What's up? If anyone's here, just wait 1 second. Get some viewers going before we break down some charts. Just give me about 5 minutes. See if I can post it on my social media real quick. All right, hello. Welcome to the live. So it's now London session. We're approaching London session now. So we're just gonna talk about the setups, the live setups in the market, and what we can look for to trade. So off the bat, I'm already looking at GBP AUD. I see that the market should retest around 1.814. As soon as we touch 1.814, I'll be going long. 1.814, going long into minimum 1.825. If you watch the weekly analysis video that was put out, that was a call made that's actually coming into fruition. We spoke about the market coming down into into these levels of support before pushing up. So right now we've kind of broken out to this consolidation. We're capped below 1.814. And I'm expecting a retest of 1.814. My stops are going below the low at 1.80835, and my TP1 1.8250. Right, so we're getting 1.93 risk reward. That's my TP1. I'll be taking probably majority of my profits there, but I do see a world where the market makes it up to 1.8300 on GBP AUD. See a lot of bearish momentum coming out for the Aussie dollar. Well, not the Aussie dollar. Well, the Aussie dollar, but as well just the AUD in general after today's RBA rate statements. So let me just connect my computer, put my laptop into the charger before it dies. Great, so GBP AUD going long, about to trigger my buy limits here at 1.814. If not triggered already, because I think I put my limits at 1.8141 just for spreads and such. Other than that, I have USD CAD. So from my first video, anyone would know I think USD CAD is gonna dump off the face of the earth. Let's look at the weekly time frame again. Been tracking this thing for a while. Weekly, very strong. Drop to the daily. I see even some more slowdown here at this gray region where I expect a lot of supply in the market. What I'm looking for now is once the market can kind of break below this area, this gray area here at 1.324, I'll be looking to short it again. Minimum target from there would be around 1.31. So new lows on the medium swing perspective, and also on the long-term perspective, expecting new lows as well. So that's a potential setup on USD CAD. I mean, if the market does take out these highs here at 3271, then I'll have to evaluate how I'm going to enter it. However, if it stays below there and just breaks below 324, then that'll be a good way to get ready to enter USD CAD. If I also look at the H1 time frame, you can see this kind of trend line, 1, 2 kind of trend line that we're testing now, potentially even breaking. So USD CAD is good sell once we make it below 3237 or 324 areas and break this trend line. So GBP AUD is the main trigger right now, about to trigger. If you watch the YouTube weekly analysis, I'd have given out the exact trading criteria for this AUD USD sell. I said once it broke below this gray region here, we should retest and drop. As you can see, the market dropped pretty delightfully. I took about 25% profits off the table, and we're kind of getting some liquidation here. So I'm going to be monitoring it closer to see if I should hold this trade into 682. But if we make it back above 684, I'll probably be closing my trade. Other than that, we have AUD JPY. So this is one I'm entering just now. I just entered this one not too long ago. So right now, my current positions, I have a buy limit on GBP AUD. I am short in deep profit, and my stops are break even on AUD USD. And I just entered AUD JPY. So my entry on AUD JPY is here at 74.005. My stops are 74.3, and my take profit My take profit is around 72.96. 72.96. So we get a 3.5 risk reward. Pump out to this one. 3.5 risk reward. Yeah, good trade. So GBP AUD long. Oh yeah, definitely just triggered my buy limit on GA long. USC CAD overall short, however, no current bias or anything. Gonna have to wait for price action. I do like how the H1 looks. H1 looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. But even if I wanted to be very variable and just enter the market and then manage it as it goes down, the H1 looks pretty nice. But I'm not gonna do that. Gonna wait for a closure below 3237 before entering the market short on UCAD. Aussie, I'm short, managing my short position on the way down. Overall downside target 0.6822, and yeah, that's about it. So let's look at what else is happening. GBP JPY tapped 135 pretty delightfully. Let's look at what's next. I see a trading range on GJ. So on GJ, if we can close below 134, if we can make it below 134 on GJ, which is right here, this blue line, make it below 134. I see the gates open right up for 133. 100 pips to the downside if we can make it below 134. So right now we're trapped in this range here between this high at around 134.6 and 134. So if we remain below 134.6 and then close below 134, we have a decent trade opportunity there. My stops would be there. So that'll be a trade opportunity opening up of about 1.71 risk reward on GJ potentially if we can close below 134 before taking out 134.6. Pretty variable there. Other than that, we have gold, not interested. GBP AUD, I mean Euro AUD, interested but not really that interested, to be honest. So I'm just gonna wait for the daily closure tomorrow. If we can get the daily closure above 1.612, if we can get the daily closure above 1.612 on Euro AUD, the gates open up immediately for about 100 pips to 1.6215. 1.6215 would be the next target on Euro AUD if we can make it above 1.612. Euro JPY tapped 120. Nice. Not interested. Bitcoin, not interested. Oil, not really interested. Rather trade USD CAD than oil. CAD CHF, not interested for this session at least. And GBP USD, I do see some kind of something forming. I just don't think I'll be able to find risk reward or anything to trade it. So I'm just gonna write that off as not interested. So to summarize this session, AUD JPY short, GBP AUD long, USD CAD potential short. If you don't remember the criteria, rewatch and see what that is. And odds is short into 6822. Cheers.